Umaayun pa rin hanggang ngayon. Today, I'm gonna fucking exciting. I don't know how this. I'm gonna say this. But I'm actually doing a job in school. No, bitch. No. I don't know. So, hindi ko pa alam kung gagawa ba ako ng shop sa Google or dito sa So, YouTube. Because I already did the thank you letter. It's a jellyfish. And I love the jellyfish, but I need to put it away. Probably. If you put up perfect, you will be just so I like it in here. You're selling bracelets. I want to sell bracelets right now, but I can't. There is a big where I got my bracelet. Only one. And if you don't want this or this, ibalik nyo na lang sa akin, guys. Okay, bye.